Everyone tells you that if you want a reliable used car, you have to buy a Toyota or Honda. But right now, in 2026, the Toyota tax is a complete joke. People are paying $15,000 for clapped-out Camrys with 150,000 miles on them. It is a massive ripoff. But what if you don't want to pay that premium? Today, I am exposing 7 hidden gem cars that mechanics secretly buy for themselves. They easily hit 300,000 miles, but they cost a fraction of the price. And I highly recommend you stick around for number 7 on this list because it's a massive industry loophole where you can actually buy a legendary Toyota engine completely disguised as a cheap American car. Let's get into it. Number 1, the 2013 to 2016 Mazda CX-5, specifically with the 2.5-liter non-turbo engine. If you look for a used Toyota RAV4 right now, dealers will laugh you right off the lot. But the CX-5 is the exact same size, drives significantly better, and costs thousands less. Here is why mechanics love this car. While Honda and Subaru were ruining their SUVs by putting fragile CVT transmissions in them, Mazda refused. They stuck with a traditional, bulletproof 6-speed automatic. Paired with their Skyactiv engine, this thing just does not break. It has no turbo to blow up, no CVT belt to snap, and you can easily find clean examples for under $12,000. Number 2, the Buick LeSabre or LaCrosse. Yes, I am telling you to buy a grandpa car, and here is exactly why. Under the hood of these boring-looking sedans is the GM 3800 Series 2 V6. In the mechanic world, this is considered one of the most indestructible engines ever built in America. These cars were typically owned by older folks who drove them gently, kept them in garages, and did every single oil change on time. Because they don't look cool, the demand is rock bottom. You can literally find these in 2026 for $4,000 to $5,000. Buy one, replace the coolant elbows with aluminum ones for $20, and this car will outlive you. Number 3, the 2011 to 2019 Nissan Frontier. I know what you're thinking. Nissan? Really? Yes, Nissan makes terrible, fragile CVTs for their cheap cars, but they did not put a CVT in this truck. Trying to buy a used Toyota Tacoma right now requires a second mortgage, but the Nissan Frontier from this era uses a traditional 5-speed automatic and a massive 4-liter V6 that is an absolute tank. It uses a timing chain, not a belt. The frame is boxed and incredibly strong. Is the interior outdated and full of cheap plastic? Yes, but if you want a truck that actually works for a living without spending $25,000, this is the smartest buy on the market. We are halfway through and we haven't even gotten to the European car that breaks all the rules or that secret Toyota loophole at the end. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss our market updates. Let's keep going.
Number 4, the Ford Crown Victoria or Mercury Grand Marquis. There is a reason nearly every taxi fleet and police department in America use this exact vehicle for 2 decades. It sits on the Panther platform and uses Ford's 4.6-liter Modular V8. These engines routinely cross 400,000 miles with 0 internal engine work. It is a heavy-duty, body-on-frame, rear-wheel drive tank. When things do break, parts are cheaper than dirt because Ford built millions of them. You get a ride as smooth as a modern luxury car for around $6,000. Number 5, the Volkswagen Jetta or Golf, but only with the 2.5-liter inline-5 engine. The golden rule of the used car market is never buy a cheap used German car. This is the only exception. Most VW engines are overly complex, turbocharged nightmares, but the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 5-cylinder was wildly over-engineered. It uses a robust timing chain and produces a lazy amount of horsepower for its size, meaning the engine is never stressed out. Because it has a VW badge, everyone is terrified of it, which drives the price down to absolutely nothing. Find one with a manual transmission and you have a 300,000-mile commuter. Number 6, the GMT 800 generation Chevy Tahoe or GMC Yukon, specifically from 2000 to 2006. Before General Motors started ruining their engines with complex cylinder deactivation that destroys lifters, they built this. The 5.3-liter Vortec V8 in this generation of trucks is automotive royalty. The block is cast iron. It doesn't have turbochargers. It doesn't have auto start-stop. It is just pure American brute force. Yes, the dashboard will crack. Yes, the seats will rip. But the powertrain will drag this truck to 500,000 miles if you just keep oil in it. Try doing that with a modern 2026 SUV. And finally, number 7, the ultimate used car loophole, the Pontiac Vibe. I promised you no Toyotas on this list, but what if you could buy a Toyota for Pontiac prices? Back in the early 2000s, Toyota and General Motors opened a joint factory in California. They built 2 cars on the exact same assembly line. One was the Toyota Matrix, the other was the Pontiac Vibe. Underneath the Pontiac badges, the Vibe has a 100% Toyota chassis, a Toyota transmission, and the legendary Toyota 1ZZ 4-cylinder engine. It is literally a Toyota Corolla hatchback in disguise. But because it says Pontiac on the steering wheel, a brand that doesn't even exist anymore, the used car market completely ignores it. You can buy a Pontiac Vibe for thousands less than the identical Toyota Matrix sitting right next to it. It is the greatest budget hack in automotive history. You don't need to overpay for Toyota to get reliability. But if you want to know which cars will literally bankrupt you the second you drive them off the lot this year, click this video right here where I expose the worst engines on the market. See you there.